Have you ever lost important files or data and you could not retrieve them other than to seek for the services of a professional data recovery expert? This condition normally begins when you connect your drive to your computer and you notice that it's freezing or taking too much time to show up. Even in some cases, your drive will not show up no matter what you do. This is one of the typical signs that your drive is failing, and in this video, I will show you how to easily identify and prevent such problems using a free tool. I will also show you how to use this same tool to solve booting problems like boot device not found, no boot device found, hard disk error, blue screen of death, and many others. This video can save you time, money, and out of frustration, so I encourage you to watch to the end and learn all the other valuable tips that can help you to avoid data loss in all circumstances. The name of this tool is Hard Disk Sentinel, available in two versions, that is the Windows version and the DOS versions. Both versions will display the health conditions of your drive, but under different circumstances. So I will suggest you install the Windows version just to help monitor your drive health and subsequently receive alerts when your hard drive begins to fail. And when there's any imminent drive failure, you will see this sign, and when you open the file explorer, you can see that this particular drive has started failing and requires you to quickly copy all your important files as soon as possible to prevent data loss. One thing I will tell you about this tool is that it's normally used by computer experts that fully understand the working concept of the computer hardware and software system. It's really helpful, and I'll leave a tutorial link for the Windows version in the description below. So let's begin. All that we need is a USB flash drive of any size and an internet connection to download the software. There's actually two ways of preparing the bootable flash drive: the official developer's method and the other method which requires using a third-party software. I will leave the other method video link in the description below. In my previous video, I used the developer's website app to prepare Hard Disk Sentinel. But in this tutorial, I'll use Rufus app, which the process happens to be a little quite faster. To begin, open any browser of your choice and go to google.com and search for Hard Disk Sentinel. Click on the first link that leads to the developer's website. Go to Products and click on Hard Disk Sentinel DOS version. Now scroll down and click the first link that says Hard Disk Sentinel for DOS application only should be copied to DOS boot device. Save the download to anywhere of your choice. I will choose my desktop and click on Save. After the download is completed, go to the location and right click on the file and select Extract HDS DOS. Now open the extracted folder. Check the name of the file. This is what you are supposed to type at the booting DOS level, but you can rename it to anything that you can easily remember. I will choose to rename it to my name. To rename, right click on the file and select Rename. I will use my name, saforo.exe. Now let's use Rufus app to prepare the USB flash drive. First of all, open Google and search for Rufus download. Click on the first link to the developer's website. Scroll down and download Rufus portable version. Save the download to anywhere of your choice. I will save it to my desktop. Now open the application. At this point, insert your USB flash drive. Here, change the boot selection to Free DOS and leave everything the way it is and click on OK. OK again if you have your information already saved. Again, come back to the Hard Disk Sentinel file that you downloaded and renamed and send it to your USB flash drive, or just copy and paste. After that you are done, your USB flash drive is ready to be used. We can use the USB flash drive to test the health of an internal hard drive or SSD. Let's test it on an HP laptop. First of all, power on your computer. Then tap F10 to enter into the BIOS settings. In the BIOS settings, go to System Configuration. Then Boot Options. Go to Legacy Support and turn it to Enable and choose Yes. After, press F10 to save the settings, or go to the Exit tab and choose Exit Saving Changes. Now, insert your USB flash drive and turn on the computer. Tap ESC or Escape key to display the menu list. Select F9 for boot device options. Then select your USB flash drive and press Enter. Now here I'll enter the name I changed on the file, safro.exe, and press Enter. Now wait for the health report of your hard drive to display at this point. It says the hard drive has been used for 1141 days and 12 hours and the health has dropped to 13%. This means that the hard drive contains about 320 bad sectors. This will definitely affect most of the information on the hard drive. This condition can also affect the bootup properties of the computer, such as slow booting, no boot devices found, hard drive error, and many others. Again, let's look at another health report of another hard drive. These are in good conditions. The health of the hard drives are 100% and the SSD is 98%. The 98% health means that you should consistently monitor this drive, and when the health continues to drop further, it is very advisable you consistently back up any important information generated or stored on this drive, because this drive has started failing gradually. Of course, sometimes it can take a while, but I suggest you take appropriate precautions to safeguard your valuable information by using an external drive or any storage media to copy out your valuable information. One more tip: never save your valuable information on only just your laptop or external drive. Please use multiple storage media or just use your USB flash drive in addition. You can also use your Google account as an online free storage to back up some information. These processes will definitely save you time, money, and out of frustration. Just go to Google and search for Google Drive Storage. Click on the first link, which looks like this. Click on Go to Drive. Enter your Google sign-in details. You are now welcome to the Google Drive interface. Currently, Google gives a free online storage of 15 GB, which is enough to store most of your valuable information. If you wish to upgrade this capacity, click on Get More Storage and start with the budget plan. Now, let's upload the file to this drive. Click on New and select File or Folder Upload. Select your file or folder and you are done. If you wish to download or share this file, then click on the three dots and click on Download or Share. If you have any problem or questions, please drop them in the comment section below and I'll respond back to you as soon as I can. Now let's come to the final part of this tutorial of how to use hard disk Sentinel tool to solve booting problems. I received this HP computer. When I turn it on, it gives an information of smart hard disk error. Let me press enter to proceed booting. As you can see, the computer is very slow in booting. Now let's use Sentinel to check the health of the hard drive. As you can see, the health is 0, meaning this is a total failure drive which needs an immediate replacement. This tool gives us the breakdown details of the nature of the drive problem. There is a Windows version of Sentinel which I recommend every computer user to install to monitor your drive's health. In case the problem is your hard drive not spinning or showing up that causing the booting problems, such as no boot device found, no operating system found, then please watch this video. This tool is also very helpful, especially when you wish to buy a used computer or a used drive. It gives adequate information to decide whether to buy the used drive or not. I hope this tutorial was helpful and was able to solve some of your storage problems. Please contact me anytime you need any technical assistance and I'll be more than glad to assist you. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Please stay blessed and I will see you in the next one.